Hi there! In this short tutorial we are going to learn how to set a password in lock Windows. Go to Start menu, press on Settings, select Accounts, go to Sign in options, and here go to the password. Now we add new password. Type new password, confirm it, and give any hint. Click on Next and Finish. Now we test it. On keyboard, press on Windows key plus L. This shortcut locks your PC. Insert your password. It's working. In some cases, it may say wrong password. Just pay attention to the current language. We hope you like it and share it with your friends. Comment below your opinion whether this tutorial helped or not. Thank you for watching and supporting us. Ta-ta for now!